In this video, I'm going to show you how to install itch.io step by step, and I'll keep it super simple so you can get it done in just a few minutes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io/app. This is the official page for downloading the itch.io app, so make sure you're on the correct site before moving forward. Once the page loads, look for the Start Download button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file to your computer. After the download is complete, go ahead and open the setup file you just downloaded. This will launch the installer and begin the installation process. At this point, you may be asked where you want to install the app. Click Browse if you want to choose a custom location, then select the folder you want to use for the installation. If you're not sure, you can usually keep the default folder, but choosing your own install folder can help keep things organized. After you've selected the install location, click Install Now to begin installing itch.io on your computer. Wait for the process to finish, and once it's done, the app will be ready to use. That's it. You've successfully installed itch.io. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.